5586 service southbound. We cover in 499.
Hey guys, today we're flying go to Indiana. So, dun kami magki-Christmas. And today is anong oras na dito ngayon? It's 5 p.m. ng 24th December. So,
In 1 hour and 30 minutes, wheels up to wheels down. Cruising altitude of 34,000 feet. Should have a nice smooth ride on the way up to South Bend for you. Current weather up there, we got winds out of the south, good visibility, clear skies. Currently 39 degrees. I want to thank you for flying with us and welcome aboard.
at this moment, December 24, 2025, ito yung first Christmas ko dito sa US. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano ba express yung feeling ko. Kasi kung sa Pilipinas to, ganitong oras, busy na mamili ng mga lulutuin para sa Noche Buena mamaya. Or nagpe-prepare na ng mga ingredients para sa lulutuin. Pero ako, eto mukhang magpapasko sa loob ng eroplano. Dito sa US guys, karamihan ng bahay may Christmas decor. Makikita mo sa gabi, nagbobonggahan ng mga decoration nila sa loob at labas ng bahay. Pero pagdating pala ng mismong December 24, tamang kain lang sila, punta sa simbahan, at pagdating nag-midnight, tulog na sila. Tapos, kinabukasan, December 25, mag-o-open ng regalo kung meron silang naka-ready sa kanilang Christmas tree. Ang lungkot ng life. Ibang-iba pa rin talaga ang Pasko ng Pinas. Ako bilang lumaki at tumanda sa Pinas, excited ako i-celebrate ang Pasko kasama ng pamilya ko. Kahit may trabaho, kailangan mag-leave kasi once a year lang to mangyayari. Kasi di mo alam kung next year or sa mga susunod na taon, kompleto pa ba kayong magkakasama na mag-celebrate ng Christmas. Kaya isa ako sa mga taong pinaghahandaan talaga ang Pasko. Hindi man bongga ang handa, basta kasama ang pamilya, masaya na. Kaya go with the flow na lang ako kasi nga instead magmukmok, treasure the moment na lang na meron ako ngayon because it's remind me that God blessed me breath every morning when I wake up. This 2025 Christmas is still meaningful to me because this is not about us. It's about give birth of Jesus Christ. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for your life. Still grateful and thankful pa din kasi nga God give me opportunity to experience this. Kaya sabi ko next Christmas pipilitin makauwi para naman kahit maikling araw lang ang bakasyon basta masaya kang magse-celebrate ng Christmas kasama ang mahal mo sa buhay.
One eternity later.
Hey guys! Today, nandito pa kami ngayon sa South Bend, Indiana. And dapat kahapon yung flight namin papuntang Texas. But nagkaroon ng snowstorm dito kahapon. So, na-cancel yung flight namin. Kaya nag-stay na lang muna kami sa bahay. And today is 10 a.m. here in Indiana. And papakita ko sa inyo guys yung labas. So, syempre, kahapon, mayroon siyang snowstorm. And look at the weather outside. It's full of snow.
Ayan. And sobrang lamig niya, guys. Mas malamig pa siya sa loob ng freezer. Ganyan. And today is i-experience natin kung ano yung feeling ng nasa labas ng snow. So, ano muna ako, guys. Mag-change outfit muna ako para hindi ako ma-frozen sa labas. And suot ako ng thermal. Ayan, thermal pants and another pants para paglabas ko, hindi ko alam kung gaano siya kalamig. For sure, sobrang lamig. And susuot ko tong aking sleeping wear kasi nga today is Tuesday and ngayon kami pupunta ng airport. Actually, yung flight namin is afternoon pa, 4 p.m. So, may time pa kami. Kaya, experience natin sa labas yung snow. Makikipaglaro ako sa mga aso. And yung mga aso dito is trip na trip nilang maglaro sa snow. This button, it's light. Love. Love.
Push it on that.
This one?
Yeah, push that. Not quite, but there you go. Now push the button on that.
Which button?
Yeah, push the top.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Come on.
Oh, Biggie.
Biggie, come on. Biggie, love, can you get the ball?
Yeah. Don't throw it out too close to the street.
Yep. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Biggie, catch your ball. Where's your ball? Biggie, where's your ball? Yeah, 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 yeah. Wait. Biggie, come on, catch. Come on, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Come on, don't go on the road. You wanna catch this? You wanna catch this? You wanna catch this? Catch! It's here! Biggie, come on. Come on, Biggie. Come on, Biggie. Let's play. Biggie, catch the ball. One. Now. 1, 2, 3. Junior. Just play with Biggie. Come on. 1, 2. Biggie, come on. Catch Biggie. One more. One more. Yeah. Junior, stop. Come on, Biggie. Just give me the ball. Biggie. Junior, give me. Just give me. Junior, give me the ball. Biggie want to play his ball. nabuang na. Come on, Biggie. Junior, give me the ball. Biggie wants to play his ball. Give me the ball. Biggie, we're ready. Biggie. 1, 2, 3. This. You know, Biggie wants to play his ball. Junior, come on. Hey, hey, hey. Biggie, here. Biggie. Biggie, now. Come here, come back. Don't do that. Come here, let's play your ball. Biggie. Biggie. Junior, give me the ball. Biggie wants to play that. Biggie, I got it. Biggie, I got it. I got it. I got it. Biggie, come here. Come here. Hand is frozen. Come on, give me that ball. Come on, Junior. What? Give me that. Give me that ball. Yeah. Just give me that. Biggie! Hey! Biggie now! Come on! Hey! Biggie! Let's go inside! Hey! Biggie, let's go! Nakakatakot tong. Let's go! Let's go! Baka magpunta sa. Come on! Let's go back!
Guys, today from Indiana, babiyahin na naman kami going to Ohio to visit my husband friends. Aabutin nga ng 3 to 4 hours yung magiging biyahe namin. Kaya naman, instead na dapat iiwanan muna namin yung gamit namin sa Indiana, bitbitin na daw namin lahat, sabi ng asawa ko, kasi hindi daw namin alam kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari para ready daw kami. Dadaan nga pala muna kami guys sa gasoline station para magpagas at para bumili na din ng on-the-go food and water kasi nga 9 AM kami umalis at hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Medyo nag-cravings ako sa noodles for today's travel kasi nga ang lamig-lamig sa labas.